that is sitting in my image object. And instead of single image, let's just look for the name. Now, of course, we have all these names. Okay, we are moving in the right direction. And now, of course, we just need to see, well, where is our Gatsby image data? Well, that is sitting in child image sharp, correct? Now, what Gatsby image was looking for? It was looking for Gatsby image data. So now again, we scroll back down, and right above the paragraph, I'm gonna go with my component, Gatsby image here. And then remember the prop name was image. And now in this image, we want to pass in that Gatsby image data. So again, if you wanted to structure it, you can do so. In my case, I'm going to go with image, child image sharp, and of course, Gatsby image data. Now, if you want to add aliases, feel free to do so. In my case, I'm just going to go with image, then child image and sharp. And then, of course, we're looking for Gatsby and then image and, of course, the data one. Now, I want to close my component and then I'm going to save it. And what do you know? We have all the images that we currently have in the images directory, even the ones that we have in the subdirectory. And you're probably wondering, okay, but why they're black and white? Well, because we have this transform options grayscale. If you remove this one, then you'll see that they have their color. Now, in this case, I'll add manually here the height as well. So go with height. Keep in mind, we're not using the sandbox here. And we're going to go with 200. We save. And of course, it's going to spit back me the error. But eventually, I should have the height as well. So now, of course, all my images are 200. Now, if you don't like the grayscale, which I do, but for example, if you don't, you can just remove it. Again, it's annoying, I understand, but that's how it is. We just have to refresh. And now, of course, we have all of these images. And then why don't we set up a nice column layout? So in here, I'll say wrapper, and then pretty much every article is just going to be placed in the line with the help of Flexbox. So say that my wrapper by default will be display flex here, then flex wrap will be equal to wrap. That just means that if there's not enough space, we'll wrap to the next line. We'll say wrap, and then if we navigate, should get the side by side. Now, of course, it's not going to be on a small screen because we have 200 by 200. But if you go to the big screen and if you refresh, and yep, of course, we have the gallery displayed. Now, what's missing is the alt prop. So it's complaining